This is our Valparai, the seventh heaven. Let's go inside the heaven. Valparai, you have my heart. Man, this road is so good, so good, so good, so good. I don't want any other viewpoint. I just want to ride here, that's it. I don't want to rate it, but I feel this is better than Munnar Gap Road. तुमसे ही दिन होता है, सुरमई शाम आती है, तुमसे ही. So hello guys, we are on roads again. Right now we are roaming in streets of Valparai. We came to Valparai at around 11:30, I think, 11 o'clock I think. We had half an hour or 1 hour good rest after some breakfast. After that I had to, because all my SD cards were full, so I had to shift all my footage of one SD card to laptop. And second thing is, we do have one more viewpoint, Nallamudi viewpoint, because all the other things were closed, it seems. They'll be closing by 3:30 because recently an elephant attack happened in this town, it seems. So they were closing all the major spots. So this is the way to Nallamudi viewpoint. Again, this is again a beautiful way as usual, with good tea plantations. Let's go and explore the viewpoint. But I'm not sure this road looks like the road for the tea estates. But the views were so good here. We're going inside this tea plantations and all. Some of those tea plantations and coffee plantations route will be so good. See this straight, we have this straight road as well. But for now, this is our Valparai, the seventh heaven. Let's go inside the heaven. Man, these. So this is the way to Nallamudi viewpoint. And here all the hills, all these hills were totally filled with this tea plantations. Fully filled with these tea plantations. Wow. This is the way. And this is so better than the viewpoint, dude. See all these tea estates, like what do you say? Like a homegrown garden. It was. See all the hills over there. The road is a bit bad here. You need a bit of off-roading patch. But I think from here it is good. Valparai, you have my heart. Who doesn't give the heart, man? Sholayar and Kalyar estates. All the tea estates. So I guess all these were tea industries. Ooh. Man, this road is so good, so good, so good, so good. With all these coffee plantations, it was so good. The road is good, atmosphere is good, plantations were so good. मौसम और थोड़ा अच्छा होना चाहिए. Like it should have been a little bit better weather. I don't want any other viewpoint. I just want to ride here, that's it. See all these views, man. All these tea plantations and wow. See all the hill over here. It's like it was what do you say, covered with a green blanket. The hill is covered with green blanket, or it was painted green, something like that. This is great. I don't want to rate it, but I feel this is better than Munnar Gap Road. The bad news is, again, even this point was closed. They'll close this point by 4 o'clock, it seems. So we cannot see this as well. But good thing is, we'll go with this road wherever it leads to until 5 o'clock. But the visuals were so good, the views were so good. So I'm gonna enjoy these views, and I'm gonna show you them as well. No, show them to you as well. So this is the whole tea plantation road.
CRGS, how beautiful it is standing in between these plantations.
So finally, starting back from this beautiful place, we almost spent 2.5 hours to almost 3 hours, 2.5 to 3 hours here, like having some good tea over there, and taking some good photos, enjoying the sceneries. This place shook my heart. See the moon over there. This is Valparai. This is not Valparai. This is just a part of Valparai. Everyone should visit this place and what do you say? Enjoy for at least 2 days. I would say prefer to come on bike. So the places we thought today were covered. All these coffee plantations. The viewpoint is not covered, but the viewpoint was closed. But it's nothing but coffee plantations again. So I just don't want to, what do you say, ruin your experience by again vlogging out of this place. So again today I'm thinking to close my vlog here in this beautiful place. Signing off, your Arun Kant's Duvuri. Let's meet tomorrow, winding up our adventure from Western Ghats to Bangalore. तुमसे ही दिन होता है, सुरमई शाम आती है, तुमसे ही